Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Crypto Squid. So today we have a new video that we will introduce for you, a new platform that you will like the options that they have offer in this final of this year. So be with us to see all the features that you can benefit from and also try to be one of the first to benefit from that. See you after this intro. Welcome back to our channel. So our video of today will be the launch of the Bybit card. Bybit card is a card based on cryptocurrencies. But before that, subscribe to our channel, like to this video to help us, and a comment in the final of this video. So let's go back to our page, and as you see, this is the page of the Bybit card launch. It's a page launched by symbols of Christmas, as you see here, because it's the period of Christmas, and the launchment or the launch is in the December of this year. So as you see, you can get started by clicking here, but before that, selected users only 10% cash back. So you'll have a cashback of 10%, but selected users. So not all users, but some of them will have 10% cash back up to $600. It's a good deal for me because we will have always some benefits from using this card instead of other cards in the market. What I love here is all the cryptos and all the assets that you have will be in just one platform, including cryptos, including cards that you can convert to USD by this card, all the things in just one platform. You can use the crypto fiat to pay anytime and anywhere. As you see here, little video, there is all the coins that you can use by this card. Choosing to pay using crypto or fiat balance. Fiat currencies supported USD, supported currencies like BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Tron, USDT, MNT, and also BNB with more options on the way. 100% rebate on selected partners. Only 100% rebate on selected partners to supercharge your card rewards. So from these partners you can find Netflix, Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, and Trading Views. You can know more by clicking here. So also earn between 2 to 10% cashback on everyday expense. We have already talked about it here, but here this is the article that you must see about the rates of cashback in multiple services and multiple platforms. You'll like more exciting features, including go virtual and spend instantly by using Apple Pay, Google Pay, and also Samsung Pay. Earn up 8% APR on your EDLs funds by enable auto saving. You can grow your wealth from the balance by 8%. Free card issuance, no annual fees, not like the other cards that you pay $20, $25. For this card, it's zero cost. And you've got your first $100 fee every month, every single time. So you can withdraw 100 USD, the equivalent value, for free each month. 2% will be applied for future. Worldwide delivery of your Bybit card. So you can have a worldwide in Europe, in America, in Asia, in Africa, all the countries can benefit from this card. So payment provider option may differ by region, and also ATM withdrawal availability and fees are subjective or regional variance. Majority of countries in the world accept this card. Your assets are protection, so your money are protected by the Bybit platform. They have a dedicated fraud and security team focused on keeping your assets secure. They have two-factor authentication, and also you can freeze your card anytime by using just the Bybit app. So start your crypto life just in minutes. First of all, you must create a Bybit account. Step 2, verify the personal details and proof of address. And finally, once approved, you can start using the virtual Bybit card immediately. So let's begin. First of all, we will click to the button of get card from here. After that, you will have this pop-up. This is if you have already an account in Bybit. If not, you can just click to sign up, enter your email, your password, click here and create your account, and also don't forget to verify it by your email and also your nationality card or passport to see your name and also your address proof. It's easy and you can do it in simple steps. Also, you can use the Google or Apple or Telegram to have an account in Bybit. For me, I have already an account, so this is why I will log in. So after we check eligibility, as you see here, it's eligible. Next. Now, address lookup, we will enter our address, and all the information that the platform will need. For me, this is my information. It's very easy to enter it. After that, city, province, all the things from A to Z. Don't forget to enter your zip code. It's optional, but you must also to do it. Additional information, while will you use Bybit? For me, this is my answer. What's your employment status? I will choose that I'm retired, for example. After that, what's your source of income? There is all the income that you will need. For me, it's a self-employed income. So now let's have this part. Don't forget to check all that. Let's enter our mobile number. I will enter it and also verify it. And finally, as you see, your virtual card application is under review. We have all that, and now it's verified. Our card is verified 100%. So as you see here, this is the platform after the validation. So here you will find all the powered coins, including BTC, USDT. You can also choose which is the first, which is the last. It's very easy. Now the auto saving, you can check the limits from here. You can check the limits from today, this month, this year, and we have, because our account is new, so all the limits are new, as you see from the account, also the ATM without any problem. As I said, also we have the 10% cashback that you can have the cashback, the road to VIP, so account acquisition USDT or USD from 0 to 100 USD, and also the other options. So now let's manage our cards. So this is the management of our cards from the platform. All the information, as you can check the card details from here, but you must verify it. If you want, for example, to freeze the card, you can just click here and freeze. I will not do that. Also, more information about that, you can reset the pin, and also all things that you can do from this. You can also copy the number from here, but we will not need it now. So this is all about our card here. So thank you very much. Another time to see our video. For me, I will use the Bybit card for the future exchange. I use some other cards, but I see here that it's zero fees, zero things, and I can use all my deposits from crypto in just one platform. So I will use it in future. Thank you very much for your trust. Don't forget another time to put like in our video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.